So we got this situation. For what value of r 10C5 is greater than 10CR? So let's try to crack this thing. So you know that this thing has been derived from 1 plus x power 10. Okay. So you know that the number of terms will be 11. So who will be in the middle term? In the middle term you will have the sixth term will be in the middle, because 11 plus 1 by 2, sixth term. And you know that the sixth term will have lower subscript as 5. This means this is the maximum. Correct? So this thing is the maximum, means for all valid value for r it is true, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So for all these values of r, this inequality holds true. I hope the idea is clear. Okay, you cannot write things as like, sir, 5 will be greater than equal to r. Okay, so r will satisfy 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot say that. Okay.